Hey all, before I show you how to clean this part of your Bosch dishwasher, just note that it's part of my full cleaning video tutorial that I've got, so I'll link to that and down below. Definitely check that out after you're done, and without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, for the next one, this is a pro tip, an extra one, but I would recommend it because you're going to have problems if you don't do it. While this is out, okay, let's see if I can light that up a bit. You're going to want to clean out this filter even inside. I've had several errors from this, and so I just got to do it this time. Even though there's no error on my machine, I'm going to get into there. It's very hard to show you. And I'm going to take that little rubber thing out, and then I am going to clean it. Now let's see how I do that. Okay, so I've got a pair of tweezers that I'm going to use. Let's see if I can do this now. There is a white plastic thing that needs to come out. Okay, got it out. Right, so this piece will slot back in, but you want to give that a clean. And also, now be careful with this. There is a little motor. It's only plastic blades, but basically I'm going to get this in and pull out any gunk with the tweezers. Alright, so I'm not putting my hands in there. The only time I've had errors, this has always fixed it. So while I'm here, I'm basically just doing this extra bit. I'm only getting little bits, but okay. Once you're done, just pop this back into place.